Hey YouTube, it's me, Chandler. Hey YouTube, we're here. We're ready to start coloring and finish up our Leafeon. Last episode went really well, if I do say so myself, and I do. So now we're going to color this, and this is going to be probably one of our most complex colorings in this series so far, because we got a lot of different colors and we got a lot of different types of blending going on, blending with these colors a little bit. So let me tell you what colors we're going to be using today. We got pale brown, brown, pink for that mouth, green, and then yellow green. Let's do these little knot hooves right here, okay? Pause, time out. I neglected something in our previous video. Leafeon has got a little leaflets coming off her legs here, so we're gonna get those put in now. Now with that correction made, let's keep going here. So guys, I should mention that this is our third to last Eeveelution. So if you guys are liking this channel and liking what I'm doing and like how I draw, start thinking up of things that you'd like to see me draw next. Make sure to always leave your comments down below. Tell me what you think I should draw next. Okay, now let's pull this whole thing together with some outlining. There it is. There's our Leafeon, looking leafy green. I'm loving it. You're loving it, probably. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. All right, now we're going to use the magic of editing to just... All right, gotta love the magic of editing. There's our background. Here's our Leafeon. Now there's just one more thing that we got to do. Chandler Smith. All right, guys, there's our Leafeon, and now I will see you guys back in the room. Bye. And here's our finished product. You know, I'm really proud of this one, I must say. We've had a lot of good drawings up, but I feel like this is probably my best. So, with that, we got to put it on the wall. And there it is. We got 7 up on the board and only 2 more to put up there. We're nearing the end of this series, but if you haven't seen every episode in this series, I don't know why. I'll make sure to include the playlist so you can catch up on every single drawing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you think other people would like this video, hit the share button. And if you want to see the next episode in this series, because things are starting to heat up, or I should say cool down, you gotta subscribe, guys. All right, but until then, we got videos here every Tuesday and Thursday, quick draws on Friday. You're the best. I'm Chandler, and this is Draw Like a Nerd.